Okay, tooth and gum repair. So a lot of people are not familiar with the fact that clove oil, very high in eugenol, which is the main component to what we now have as the concentrate to benzocaine, novocaine, and lidocaine. Tooth and gum repair, which is a product that I make, also containing frankincense and geranium, as well as peppermint, cinnamon, and spearmint. When someone buys any topical tooth aid or goes to a dentist and gets a shot of your benzocaine, novocaine, or lidocaine, you are actually getting the concentrated version, the synthetic form now, of eugenol. We used to use actual clove oil from our dentist on our teeth, or you'll hear people say suck on a clove. If you're dealing with something that you cannot get to the dentist immediately for, or you already know the issue, such as a cavity, and it's painful, or you suspect that it could be getting infected, you need to try the tooth and gum repair. Geranium actually helps to rebuild mouth tissue and is put into a lot of toothpastes. So the eugenol from the clove oil in the tooth and gum repair helps to get rid of all of your problems when it comes to bacteria, viruses, yeast, mold, fungus, any of that, because it's so antiseptic. Also, the eugenol helps to numb all the pain. Combined with your geranium, which helps to rebuild tissue, and your frankincense, which strengthens. Your peppermint spearmint, which helps to kill germs, freshen breath, and cinnamon, also highly antibacterial, antifungal, is a good way to just, I won't say prolong, but help to deal with aching teeth until you can get to a dentist. Now, if you don't get to a dentist, your teeth are infected, they could go septic. So it's important to see a dentist, and it's important to have it treated. But if it's something that you know you can't have, dealt with right now, due to Christmas, due to bills, due to not having insurance, whatever, and you're looking to not just numb the pain, but kill the germs and hopefully prevent any kind of infection from growing, kill those germs, kill that pain, and hold it off, as well as help to strengthen the gum line around the tooth, give the tooth and gum repair a try, because the ingredients in here are top notch. It is in a liquid organic coconut oil base, but that is not the concentrate. The concentrate is the essential oils. And I have used it for years on a tooth that I had to have a root canal done on. Before I had the root canal, not only was it able to help with the pain, it was able to help greatly, like 2 years, lengthen the time that I had to go and get it repaired. So tooth and gum repair, give it a try. You've got your clove, your frankincense, your geranium. Anytime you add frankincense to any mixture, it strengthens. That is its sole purpose, is strength. So anytime you add frankincense to the mix, not only is it highly antibacterial, antiviral, antiseptic, just like the clove, you're strengthening the ingredients that are in there. The geranium helping to rebuild tissue. Your peppermint, your spearmint, your cinnamon works on the breath, killing germs as well, and pain as well, especially if there's like heat coming from it. Peppermint is super good at drawing. A lot of people don't know that. So there you go. Give tooth and gum repair a try, and those are the essential oils that are super good and effective at helping. And they put geranium and many, like, of course we know they put spearmint and peppermint. They put many of these things in your natural toothpaste because they're so effective. But this is a straight concentrate that you can put, and if you put it in your mouth, you're gonna have your mouth go numb like you got a shot. But you can put it on a Q-tip and put it back there, or you can add it by drop. But yeah, tooth and gum repair, and those are the essential oils that are in there, and that's why they're so beneficial. Hope you learned something today. Oh, everything on my website, missysnaturals.com, is 30% off through Christmas Eve. So everything 30 is the code, but that is super important right now, because I notice a lot of people are either without insurance or finding themselves unable to pay for some major work that needs to be done, and that may help lengthen the time that has to be dealt with. If you think your tooth is infected, definitely see a dentist, definitely get on antibiotics. Septicism is common in infectious areas of the mouth, infected teeth, and that is nothing to play around with. It is deadly.